Hi, I'm Stacy with Worship Guitar Resources, and I recently covered the song I Thank God playing slide. Today I'm going to give you 3 techniques that you can use to play that song without a slide but still have the same feel and presence in the song. I'll be using the same preset that I used in my cover of the song. In that song I used the Tele Deluxe, in this one I'm using the Gretsch. It really sounds great for both guitars. Alright, let's get to it. So the first technique is vibrato. Now the verses and the first bunch of bridges are swelled in, so it's pretty easy to really sound just like the slide. So what we're going to do is just swell in on the chords and then give it vibrato. And you can hear how it kind of fills that space just like you would expect a slide player to do. All right, the next technique that we're going to do is bends. So there's that half step, up, back, up, back. We're going to follow that up with some vibrato, but we're able to do those turnarounds without a slide just by doing bends. By following that up with some vibrato, it mimics that same thing that you would expect a good slide player to do. All right, now the third technique that we're going to do is sliding into your note. So let's see, the chorus, and I think the last bridge, last choruses, you're only playing 2 notes. So it's the D string and the B string. And on the D flat here, it's just at the 6th fret. And so I'm going to go through what that sounds like to play through the end of the chorus, and then just kind of how that resolves and how all that can be done with these techniques. All right, I hope you found that helpful. If you did, subscribe. Hit that like button for good measure. All right, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.